At this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to make a simple door at Roblox Studio, like this. So, if this tutorial will be useful for you, please like it and we'll get started. Okay, first thing what we need is we need to make a door. Now, we select this part and click Enter. Nice. Now I'm gonna meet you with hinge. Hinge is when one object very quickly follows another object, something like weld. So we go to Model tab, go here, and select hinge. Now we go here and here. Nice. If you don't see this thing, click here. Nice. Now you gotta repeat me. Great. Now I'm gonna show you the magic trick. To fix this, we need to make another hinge. And just do what we did. Nice. So now we select this part and choose click detector. Great. Now we select this part and choose script. And else we can hide this. We don't need them anymore. Now let's make a variable and call it close. It could be 0. Now we make a local function and we could call it open. Now if close equals 0, then if else if close equals 1, then now if it's close, so script.Parent.Orientation equals vector3 dot new and our orientation is 0, 0, 0. Nice. Now we copy this and paste it in here. Now we need to turn it to that way, whatever you want. Now we copy this and paste right here. Now we return everything. Next we write script.Parent. Oh, I forgot one thing. We choose this sprite and we can call it part 1. Nice. Script and we also need to group it. We select all this and click group. Now that's one model. We can call it door. Now script.Parent.Part1. Click detector. Mouse click. Connect. And we need to connect it with open. Great. I forgot other thing. Open. Oh no, I mean close equals 1 and close equals 0. Great. Now let's test it out. So we click this door and it's working. It's working. Yay, great. It's working. Okay. So if this tutorial was useful for you, please like, and if you like all my content, please subscribe, and I'll see you later. Bye.